Are you ready to help your clients maximize their tax savings? Here's how. First, ensure your clients are capitalizing and depreciating assets correctly. It's often missed but crucial for tax savings. Next, remember the IRS allows expenses for items under specific limits. Establish policies and costs within those limits. Don't forget bonus depreciation. Qualifying property can mean significant deductions. Know the criteria and percentages. And, like bonus depreciation, Section 179 can be a game changer. Expensing acquired assets within limits can lower taxable income. Always document meticulously and ensure compliance with IRS rules. Accuracy is key. Lastly, collaborate with tax pros. They'll help navigate the complexities and inform you about tax law changes.